Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. This is our review lesson and I am Amna Hashmi. This lesson is going to be over to our student and she is going to revise everything learned in first 4 lessons. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
I hope that you are ready.
Yes, I am.
Alright, now over to you.
I remember how we say I am in Urdu, मैं. We ask somebody's name and we say, what is your name? And in Urdu we say, आपका क्या नाम है? We respond to this question and we say, my name is, and then whatever your name is. For example, we take a name as Sarah. So we would say, my name is Sarah. And in Urdu it would be, मेरा नाम सारा है. We name different words like pink in Urdu, gulabi. Boy in Urdu, ladka. Girl in Urdu, ladki. We say I am a girl. In Urdu, मैं लड़की हूँ. I am a boy. In Urdu, मैं लड़का हूँ. My in Urdu, मेरा. Name in Urdu, नाम. Happy in Urdu, खुश. Sad in Urdu, udas. We express our feelings in different ways, depending on the situation. For example, if we are happy, we would say, I am happy. In Urdu, मैं खुश हूँ. And if we are sad, we would say, I am sad. In Urdu, मैं उदास हूँ. Oh, it's a star and a balloon. A star in Urdu, sitara. Balloon in Urdu, gubara. We say you. In Urdu, aap. What? In Urdu, kya. And in Urdu, or. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We tell our age depending on how old we are. For example, we take 5. So we would say that I am 5 years old. And in Urdu, मैं 5 साल की हूँ. Allah Hafiz.